up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, August 22nd, and I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday to pick up a few things for my son's birthday party, and I came across some goodies. I wanted to come share them with y'all. They had some, now this is a dollar store like I've never been to. I kind of ventured out about 20 minutes away from where I live. There's a Dollar Tree that's near me that I usually go in. They don't never have any other colors of the Kiss gels. This Dollar Tree had a few different colors. I picked up one because I need some yellows in my life. I don't have a lot of yellow polish. So I picked up the Kiss gel. I do have pictures of the other colors they have that I will insert in the clip. This yellow is called My Color, and I just thought it was a really pretty yellow. It's like a really nice color. So I grabbed one of those. They also had a few of the Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gels. I was kind of surprised by that because I think this is my first time seeing these at Dollar Tree. I think. If I have, it's been a while. And please excuse my nails. I didn't have a chance to polish them yesterday. It was a busy birthday party day. So yeah, I picked up one of these. I had a couple, but I have those colors already. So this is one that I don't have. So I picked this one up. It's called the Silver Screen. I know the lighting on this sucks. There we go. The Silver Screen. So you can see it has some sparkle to it. That's that there. 707A, the Silver Screen. And I did open it up. Let's see. Touch down a little bit. Whoa, not that much. Higher. I'm trying to adjust it so I can show you guys. I'm going to open it. It's a little blurry, but I'll put it on my mat. Excuse, my mat is dirty. But these I make, and I will be opening my, you guys can see, my eBay store soon, where I'm going to be selling my mats again. I was selling them on there at one point and got a little bit busy and haven't had a chance, but I will be opening up my store soon, and my mats will be available. And I will let you guys know when I open my store so y'all can purchase some. But you can use them just like you do the regular mats. You can put nail polish remover on them and all that good stuff. So this is the Silver Screen. I don't know if you guys can see a little bit of the sparkle. Not getting a good view. Sorry, it's just lighting. It's just sucking today. It sucks. Let's do the yellow. My Color. This is the Kiss gel. Ooh, yes. That's really pretty. I really like this color. You guys can see that. That's the yellow. So pretty. And then they had these. Now, this is my old one. As you can see, it looks old. It's dusty. But this one's from the dollar store, so you can see the difference in size. I also have a couple more. This is another one. And this one. So yeah, they had some mini ones. So I picked up two, a purple and a pink. And I'm going to decorate them. So as you can see, I have these ones decorated with different tapes on them, so just for looks. And then I kind of remembered like what's non-acetone, what's acetone. I think these, I may use one for my makeup remover, and then the other will be for my nail polish remover. I think I'm going to actually go pick up some more, because one or two of these, the pump stopped working right, so I'll probably throw a couple of those away and just get some new ones. These are cute because they're smaller and more easier to store than the big ones, but I mean the big ones are good too. You could fit like a whole bottle of nail polish remover in here depending on the size you buy, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna decorate these, so I thought maybe I would do that and show you guys what I'm gonna do to them. Let me grab my stuff. I'm going to do this washi tape. And you guys, I got this really big, you guys can see, container. Came with these 3 rolls in it of washi tape on Amazon for like a couple bucks. I got it for a really good clearance sale. And it came with, I can't remember what the total was, but a bunch of different designs of washi tape. And for some reason, when you pull off the washi tape, they all have these little pieces attached to them also. Like, here's a tape, and then it's like this on there, and it just comes off. So I don't know why. And this one's from the one inside. So yeah, I'm going to do washi tape on this one. See how it turns out. And the other one, I believe I'm going to do some glitter polish. I can't even see where this begins. Here we go. So I'm just going to start by, I'll start at the top here. Start on the back. I'm just going to come around. So I'm letting the polish dry on that one. And then this one, I'm going to add some sparkle to the top by, I'm going to apply a clear base coat to the bottom first. Open these up. I'm going to use this pink. Now, this is my first time trying this, so we'll see how it works. Get it popped open. I'm just gonna pour a bunch of clear on top here. And Now these I got from the Dollar Tree also. It came in a pack. Sprinkle a few on there. Get a Q-tip. Okay. Alright, so that's that one. Ooh. I feel like I need something here now, huh? I'll figure that out. Alright, this one is almost dry. I'll get something else to put on this one. It's working pretty good. It's just trying to flip them over. It's the only problem I'm having. I have a little container that you put them in and you shake it around and it flips them all up for you. I guess I should have looked for that, but this was kind of just like a quick spur of the moment thing. See if I can get a little glue. Oh shoot. Trying to pick it up so I can move it. Little bit of bling on the top. Show better in this light. Ah. It's still wet, as you can see. I think they turned out kind of cute. I still feel like I see this little female piece. I wonder if I should stick this on somewhere. I think I will. I'm going to put this on try to get it right here. They're all on there nice and tight. This is some really good glue found at the nail shop I was gonna tell you guys about. I think I'm done. I might add some more to, I feel like this one needs something. If I should put like, it kind of looks, doesn't really match, but okay, so for now, I am done. This one's still a little wet, so it's all over my fingers. Love Nails Nicole. Thank you guys for watching me decorate my nail polish pump dispensers and watching my mini haul, everything I got from Dollar Tree